moving on, Syarikat Perumahan Negara Berhad is set to launch 35 housing projects this year, comprising of 37,595 units. The projects, involving a gross development value of 4.2 billion ringgit, will be developed over 5 years.
Newly appointed Chairman Dato' Idris Harun said construction of some 28,000 units will begin this year, while another 10,000 in 2011. Response has been encouraging, with 42% of 13,480 units made available during soft launches sold. The houses, which comprise single-story bungalows and high-rise apartments, are priced between 60,000 and 100,000 ringgit. SPNB has also turned a privatization where interested companies will develop its land and sell the houses themselves.
Tujuan kita lebih kepada melepaskan beban-beban yang kita kira boleh menenggelamkan kita. Yang kedua ialah kita menggalakkan kecairan pada harta-harta kita yang beku, dan ini akan menggamit lebih lagi kontraktor-kontraktor berwibawa yang boleh dijadikan sebagai pengaju.
Going forward, SPNB has set a target of launching 124 projects by 2015, comprising 119,279 units of affordable homes with gross development value of 12.5 billion ringgit. But due to its limited resources, SPNB will be taking a new approach in its project development. With only 1.5 billion ringgit credit facility made available by Kumpulan Wang Amanah Pencen, Dato' Idris said SPNB will not be actively involved in land acquisitions for its projects.
Kerajaan negeri menyediakan tanah, dan lebih-lebih lagi kalau mereka sanggup untuk menyediakan infrastruktur seperti jalan, longkang, parit dan sebagainya, dan kita hanya datang dengan rumah-rumah. Dan ini nampaknya lebih praktikal kerana ada satu semangat kolektif responsibility.
Meanwhile, SPNB's future homes may be built using integrated building system or prefabricated, which will bring down construction costs by some 40%. And the savings can be used to bring down the price of the houses or build bigger houses while maintaining the selling price.
And that wraps up this evening's 7 edition. I'm Rashmi Samdali. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend ahead.